Hey guys, so during the quarantine session, I've been cooking a lot and it's been really fun. However, one day I received a mystery box from Awang brand. So let's see what's inside. Oh, what a nice note. Oh wow, this is Rendang paste. Look at that. And there's two. Wow. And that's not all. They even gave the ingredients. This means I don't even need to go to the shops. Well, I know what that means. Let's get cooking.